In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your phone, and on your phone you want to go to your settings. On your settings you want to go to your personal hotspot and you want to open it. You want that it's open. Then you want to take your Nintendo Switch, and on your Nintendo Switch we're going to System Settings. And on System Settings we're going to Internet. And we're going to click on Internet Settings. These are all the networks that are available. So my phone is called iPhone, so we're going to click on that, and here it says enter password. As you guys can see, this is the password. So just enter your password, and we're going to click on OK. Connecting to the internet. Successfully connected, guys, and that's how you connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your hotspot. If you like this video, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if this worked for you, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this.